Unlock your creativity, endless possibilities with the Creality K1C 3D printer. In the ever-evolving world of technology, the Creality K1C 3D printer has emerged as a game-changer, captivating the hearts and imaginations of American hobbyists, designers, and makers alike. This compact and user-friendly machine offers a gateway to a realm of unprecedented creativity, allowing you to bring your wildest ideas to life with stunning precision and detail. One of the standout features of the K1C is its versatility. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a budding engineer, or a passionate hobbyist, this 3D printer can cater to your every need. From intricate figurines and architectural models to practical household items and customized tools, the possibilities are truly endless. Imagine designing your own personalized phone case, crafting a unique set of chess pieces, or even creating a miniature replica of your favorite landmark. The Creality K1C empowers you to transform your imagination into tangible reality, unleashing a world of creative expression. But the versatility of the K1C doesn't stop there. This 3D printer is also an invaluable tool for educational institutions, where students can engage in hands-on learning and experiment with innovative design concepts. By fostering a maker-centric mindset, the K1C inspires the next generation of problem solvers and innovators to push the boundaries of what's possible. In the realm of product design and prototyping, the K1C shines as a valuable asset. Professionals can quickly iterate on their ideas, testing and refining them until they achieve the perfect result. This accelerates the product development process, allowing businesses to bring their concepts to market more efficiently. As you delve into the world of 3D printing with the Creality K1C, the possibilities are truly limitless. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or a curious newcomer, this remarkable machine will ignite your creativity and open up a new frontier of exploration. Ready to unlock your creative potential? Head to the description below to check out the Creality K1C 3D printer and a selection of must-have accessories to enhance your 3D printing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting 3D printing content and inspiration.